welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Today I'm joined by my girl Liz over at Decorating with Jazzy Green to host the Christmas Freestyle Open Collab with co-hosts The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, At Home with Lisa, Jill's Style, and Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle. Links to all of our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. Thank you so much, ladies, for joining me for this wonderful open collaboration. Today I'm creating a Christmas tea party tablescape. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I finish putting this Christmas tea party together. And I'll meet you at the end to tell you all about the items I've used.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who would it go? Ho, 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 who would it go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
This gorgeous tea party tablescape is so budget friendly because most of the items on my table are thrifted. The poinsettia table runner belonged to mommy, and the only new purchase are the chargers that I picked up at Home Goods for $12.99. Other than that, everything else is thrifted. The dinnerware I got for the incredible price of $2.50, and you may remember it from my haul video. And if you haven't seen that, I'll make sure to link it in the description box below. It was priced at $9.99 and it was 75% off all Christmas goods. Pretty much everything else is thrifted, as well as the florals and the vase they're in. So I hope you enjoyed this beautiful tea party tablescape and that it gives you inspiration to create a Christmas tea party at your home. If you liked today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. I'd like to thank my awesome co-hosts and everyone who participated today, as well as my awesome subscribers. Thank you so much. Mwah! I love you. Thank you again for watching. And until next time.